Oh, oh, oh. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how to make AI drive planes, fly planes, like that one in the sky. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you tutorial today again. I don't know why. So yeah guys, let's get started. So first of all is so anyways guys, you need a flat ground, like flat grass, because in the title's map and the map's title, and never mind. So once you've found a flat ground, you just go to spawn lists, entities, LFS. Now for the planes to fly itself, just click AI vehicle spammer, and now you've spawned it. What is happening back there? So yeah, then you just hold C, right click and edit properties, and and you click type and select any LFS planes you want. Mine's going to be mine's going to be an Left 4 Dead 2 rescue helicopter. And also it can be any sky vehicles, air vehicles. It can be a helicopter, a plane, and yeah, if it's only LFS, of course. So now you've got the settings. You just press E for the AI spawner to be enabled, and yeah, like that guys, you can now board it. Don't fly it. Yeah, it's kinda cool. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. My hair model different. What? Okay, another explosion over there. Yeah. Thanks for watching.